So we are in the revision session one. In this, we'll be covering week one and week two. So this is a blueprint. So syllabus is till week four, and paper is of 50 marks, which is of the duration 1 hour. And we will be having MCQs, MSQs, and numerical type. And the marks distribution is as follows: like 12 marks is for MCQ, and 7 marks is for MSQ, and 15 is for numerical type. 16 marks is for comprehensive. Like it is like there will be some graph, and from that two sub questions or two three sub questions will be there in the comprehensive type. Are you clear with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Should I wait? Are you writing this? Would you like to make a note, or can I go ahead?
Ma'am, your screen is not visible.
No, ma'am, it's visible. Say it.
It's visible to us.
Yes,
Can
ma'am,
you
it's
Ma'am,
fine.
rejoin?
your
Yeah, yeah.
screen is not
Hello.
visible.
Pawan, can you rejoin?
How about others? Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am, it's completely fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You can make the note of it. You'll go further. Once you're done, just let me know.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. So in the week one, like introduction to signals and continuous, like PD related continuous discrete signals are being discussed. And then the the most important concepts are like time shifting, time scaling, time reversal are the most important concepts from the week one. So like if we take a signal, like let's take a rectangular signal, or any signal you can tell. Should I take go with the rectangular signal or any signal? Is this fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, fine.
So if we delay the signal, which means if the signal is being delayed by A units, that means signal. So like in the first session, I have discussed it will be starting the signal at t is equal to 0, right? From there onwards, we'll be considering in usual case. So if we delay the signal, which means it will start after 2 seconds like that. So this signal has to move by 2 units later. As we are delaying, it will be x of t minus 2. So it will be minus 1 by 2 plus 2, 1 by 2 plus 2. And here at 0, it will be shifted by 2. So as a result, what we'll be getting? Here we will be getting 3 by 2, here as 5 by 2 for delaying the signal when I delayed by 2 units. So the signal will be shifted towards the right. Am I clear with this point? First point.
Yes, ma'am.
You can free to interrupt me if you have any doubt or if you have some misclarification.
Ma'am, I have in not in this, but there are some questions which are like minus 3b minus 2, something like that. And in that, we first do the shifting, which would be if it is minus, so it would be shifting right. But when
Yeah.
we do it in questions, when I try to plot it, so it was like in right side, in left side. So I was a bit
Oh,
confused in that.
okay. Like we'll take that question. Do you have that question after some time?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, we'll discuss that question then. And the second case is it is the advancing of a signal. So in case like now we are recording the video, later you will be watching the video, who are not joined, they'll be watching in the YouTube. So already completed event, they are going ahead and they are seeing, right? Already the finished event, they're starting from the beginning. So it is like suppose it is shifted by 2 units ahead. So it will be shifted towards the left. Then it will be minus 1 by 2, minus 2. Here 0 will be shifted to minus 2. The signal will be x of t plus 2. 1 by 2 minus 2. So here we will be getting as minus 5 by 2. Here minus 3 by 2 will be getting for the advancing of signal. Am I clear with this?
Yes, ma'am.
So when we are advancing, this will be shifted towards the left side because here is a minus. You can observe it compared to the original signal. And later, like we'll be discussing about the time scaling. So in these three cases will be there, where it depends on the value of A. So if the A is greater than 1, so then it will be expansion. For A greater than 1, it will be expansion about the y-axis. Sorry, it is compression. About the y-axis, it will be compressed. So if we take x of 2t, so how will be the plot? From which point to which point it will be there? Can anyone help me with this?
Where, ma'am? Can you?
Yeah, like, should I repeat the question?
Yes, ma'am.
This is x of t, which is going from minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2. And the value is 1, between 1 minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2. And what is the value of x of 2t? From which
It
to
would be
which?
starting from minus 1 by 4 to minus plus 1 by 4.
Yeah, good. So what we are doing here, we are dividing by 2 here, right? That's why we'll be getting minus 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. Remember, whatever we are doing, we have to do the reverse of this. Here it is multiplied by a, right? So here we have to divide by a. And this is a compressed version of this. A compressed version of this. And when a is less than 1, so if we take x of t by 2, this will be the expansion. So it will be from minus 1 to 1. What is happening here? So this will be multiplied by 2 times. So 2 into minus 1 by 2 will be 1 minus 1. And 1 by 2 into 2 is 1. So we'll be getting as this. It is an expanded version of the original signal. Am I clear with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Then reversal. So if we'll take another signal, okay, for the reversal case, if this is a signal, so which is R of t, if we do the reversal of this, we'll be doing the reversal about the y-axis, the exact mirror. It should be like a mirror. So it will be of R of minus t. So the, mirror image reversal is like mirror image of about the y-axis. So here A will be A equal to minus 1 in the reversal. Am I clear with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, how about others?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Understood.
ma'am. Fine.
Yeah. And here there is a combination of both. That is like y of t is equal to x of at plus b. So here what we are doing? Here shifting and scaling both are happening in this case. So how we should take? So here like there will be of two cases. First is shifting by a, like shifting by b units. So first is like just a second. So y of t is equal to x of at plus b. So in first case we'll be doing shifting. So x of t. So here t need to be replaced with t plus b. Then we have then like we have to multiply with a. So in order to get at plus b, then it has to be multiplied with a. Did you understand? Like shift
Yes,
by
ma'am.
b units, then later scale by a units. This is the first case. Second case, how we can do is like let's take like this x of a of t plus b by a. For suppose if we scale by a times, if we scale it by a times, so here what we are doing, everything need to happen on time. So if it is at, in order to get at plus b, we have to get the required thing. So what we have to get in t? What should be t in order to get this? The t need to be t plus b by a. Then only we'll be getting the final result now as this. So if we take so a into t plus b by a, which results at plus b. Are you clear? Like how? Like first we have to do scale by a, then shift by b by a. Here we are doing the operations on time. So that's why here we'll be taking b by a. Are you clear with the second method or is there any confusion?
It's
Ma'am,
clear,
totally
ma'am.
fine. Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Yeah. And one more thing, like if we take the shifting as like a function f, okay? So we are performing the shifting on x of t and then scaling on the resultant thing. So the scaling we can take as g of f of x of t. So if we want to get back the x of t, what we have to do? If we want to get x of t, we have to do inverse, right? Inverse, we have to go in the reverse direction. So what we have done last, g function we have applied, that is scaling. So like g inverse of g of f of x of t. So on this, what will be the result? G inverse and g will be nullifying. Then we'll be getting this, right? I I mean, in order to go to, okay, like let the final expression is given as y of t, right? If y of t is given, then how can, like, the steps what I'm telling is how to go from y of t to x of t. These are the steps which I'm telling. So this is a y of t. So now we are applying the inverse on G, then later F inverse will be doing. So that if the result will be getting x of t. Am I clear with this?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
So here what I have taken is, like, here there are two cases, right? Let y of t is equal to x of at plus b. First we are shifting by b units and then by a units. This is the first method which I have discussed previously, and this is the second method. So, like, here we want to go from x of t, from y of t to x of t. So if we do the first one, what is the, if we scale by a units, then we inverse of this is divide by a units, right? Inverse of this, like,
Yes,
see
ma'am.
the direction how we are going. Like, last is g. So, like, first what we'll do in the inverse, g inverse will be doing. So we will be dividing by a times. Then we will be shifting by, if it is shifted by b times means plus b, what is the inverse of plus b? It is minus b, right? Then we have to shift by minus b. So this is what it is happening. So if we do this case, first we are scaling, then we are shifting by b by a. So what we have to do, it is shifted by plus b by a. Then reverse of plus b by a is minus b by a. No, we are going in the reverse direction, right? So first we are shifting by minus b by a, then followed by scale by 1 by a. Are you clear with this slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Any doubts other than Ananya?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am, no doubts.
Okay. Now I'll be discussing about the standard signals. So Dirac delta function. So graphically it is represented as like this. So it is delta of t mathematically is, it is infinity at t is equal to 0 and 0 otherwise. So at t is equal to 0 we will be having like infinite magnitude. Other than this we will be having 0. And unit step will be like, it is represented as u of t and it will be 0. It will be starting from 0 and it will be 1. So u of t mathematically can be represented as, it is 1 when t is greater than or equal to 0, 0 otherwise. There is a relation like between u of t and delta of t. U of t is integral of 0 to infinity delta of t dt. This relation you have to remember. So how we are getting this? So if we have the shifted versions of delta, we will be getting as u of t. Did you understand this relation? Ananya, you are asking one question, right?
Yes, ma'am. I just solved those questions and I got clear with it.
Yeah, like if we do the integral from 0 to infinity, not from minus infinity to infinity. If we do from 0 to infinity, delta of t, we will be getting u of t. And next is ramp. So ramp R of t, it is represented as R of t, which is equal to t when t is greater than or equal to 0, 0 otherwise. So R of t is integral of 0 to t u of t dt. One person was answering, right? If we do the integral on the unit step, we'll be getting the ramp signal. So here we can combine the double integral, like relation between, like I have told here, right? U of t is equal to integral of 0 to infinity delta of t d of t. So we'll be substituting here. As a result, we'll be getting 0 to infinity delta of t dt. So this relation you have to remember. And then yeah, this like you asked that question, right, which you asked in the beginning.
Yes, ma'am, it's
So
clear.
so these two relationships you have to keep in mind in order to solve that question.
Okay, ma'am.
And then a rect of t, rectangular signal. So rectangular signal is represented as rect of t. So duration will be from minus half to half, 0, and the magnitude will be 1. So mathematically it is represented as 1 between minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2, 0 otherwise. And the next signal is triangular signal. So it will be from minus 1 to 1. Here it will be 1. So it is tri of t can be represented as. So these whatever I am discussing is a standard representation of the signals. So it will be 1 minus modulus of t between minus 1 to 1, 0 otherwise. So here you can see it is a combination of two RAM signals, right? Variance of RAM signals.
Yes,
Am I
ma'am.
correct? So it can be this. One portion is this, another portion is this, right? If we combine these two signals, we'll be getting this signal. So what is the representation of this first signal? This signal. Let's take it is as signal
Yes,
1.
ma'am.
So what is this first one?
T plus 1.
T plus
That
1.
Sorry, minus T plus 1.
it is t plus 1, right? Because r of t will
It,
be like
it's
this.
only T plus 1. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So we are advancing it. This is the advanced version. So it is shifted to minus 1, no? So we are advancing the signal. So if we advance the signal, it will be r of t plus 1, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So the so this part is actually it is r of t plus 1 or it is t plus 1. And if you observe, clearly observe, the second one is exactly mirror image of first one. So here, like we have to replace t with minus t plus 1.
Ma'am, exactly here I had doubt. It is shifting in the right direction, but we are doing +1. So
Yeah, like, right? This here you are telling in the second case, right?
yes, ma'am.
First one you are clear. Are you clear with the first one?
Yes, ma'am.
Second one, what we are doing is we are doing the we have already done this part. So what is the relationship between 1 and 2? If we see the graph, it is a mirror image, right?
Yes, ma'am.
It is a mirror image. How will be the mirror image of 1? It will be like this only, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is what the 2 is. So it is a reversal. What operation we are doing? It is a reversal operation we are doing, but with respect to time.
Okay, ma'am. But if there would be only this second graph somewhere, so we will write it as -t-1, or we will write as -t plus
No,
one.
it is minus t plus 1 only.
Isn't that exactly how this +1 is coming? Like we are shifting this ramp to right direction, so it should be -1, right?
Okay, you are telling this ramp is it is going here. So how can you? So now you help me with this. Okay, I'll take some other color. Now, how can you go from here to here? From the
So
ramp only, we will take.
first we'll shift it to right, then we'll take the negative.
Yeah, first we are doing shifting it to right. So as a result, we are getting this. And then we are doing the negative of that, right? I mean, we have to do with respect to time t, I'm telling. This is
And
what
t+1, it would mean that we are shifting to left.
come again, like what did you tell before?
T+1 would be mean that we are shifting it to left.
Yeah, t plus 1 is shifting it to left. So here we, as a result, we'll be getting this, right? Like first one.
Ma'am, actually, she's asking about shift it to right by one, like t minus one, and then take the mirror. He's saying, I
Okay.
guess, but it won't work.
It won't work, no?
Yes.
Like
Ma'am,
how you
basically
can,
the second one is the time reversal of the first one,
yeah,
right?
time reversal. That's why, yes, yes, correct.
So
That's why
we are not corresponding to the rect of t. Ananya is telling that when rect of t is shifted to the right, then it will be -1,
rect
and
of
here
t
it
or
is time
ramp of
reversal. Yeah, ma'am.
ramp of t.
Ramp of t. Sorry,
Yeah, ramp of t. Come again.
ma'am. Ananya is telling when ramp of t is shifted to the right, then it will be -1. So in the second one, you have written -t+1. That's her question, I
Yeah,
think.
like ramp. If we shift this to right, how this will look like? If we shift by 1 unit, it will be like this, right?
Ma'am, just see it like if we do -t, then this ramp would be in first quadrant and third quadrant, and then
Okay.
we will shift it to right, means -1.
This is how r of minus t will be, right?
Yes, ma'am. Now we will
Okay, you
shift it
are
to right.
saying the second case. Oh, okay, okay. I got it. I got it. I will. So this is how r of minus t looks like. Okay, Ananya. This is r of t, right? If we shift this to right by 1 unit, it will be r of t minus 1.
Yes, ma'am. And now I mean that if we do the minus, then it will become like the second graph. So why
If
there is
we
plus
do the
one?
minus means if we do the reversal, obviously, right?
Actually, take reverse, no, that will go that side, like not.
This is how it will be, no? If we do the reversal for this, if we do the reversal for this, r of minus t minus 1 will look like this, Ananya.
So, like in there, r of minus t. So, if we will shift that into right direction, so we will do minus 1, right? There. Yes, ma'am, in this graph. So, we will do minus 1, right?
Okay, if we shift this to right side.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here how we will be doing? Now I got your point completely. So from this reversal one, if we shift this towards the right, we'll be getting this signal you are telling.
Yes, ma'am.
So first, like here I have discussed the points, right? So first, now what? According to you, we are doing this second one. First, we are scaling by a times. Okay, that is
Yes, ma'am.
a is minus here, and we are shifting by b by a units. So b by a units is like t minus 1, right? I'm telling like b by minus, like can you tell what is b and a here?
The B
A
is
would be,
A is minus 1,
yes, ma'am.
b is 1, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So like what we are doing here, next first one we have done the scaling by minus 1 times, and the second what we have to do, shift by b by a. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So shift by b by a
Yes,
means
I'm correct.
1 by minus 1, which will be getting minus 1, right? So
Yes,
what we have to so we have to shift by minus 1 units. So what we have to do, we have to replace this t with t minus 1. T with t minus 1 we have to replace. So how we will be getting r of minus of t minus 1. So it will be r of minus t plus 1. So which is same as this, no? Which I told here.
okay, ma'am, got it.
Now are you clear?
Yes, ma'am,
So we
it's
are
clear.
shifting this. Now we are shifting this signal towards right. Sorry, it is not visible. So this signal, so here it is 0. So we have to shift to 1. So it has to go here. It should be like this, no? So we are shifting it by 1. First, we have done the reversal of that. Here we are shifting towards the right side. So if we shift towards right, it has to be how many units we are shifting? By 1 unit. So that's why we are delaying the signal by 1. So in the place of t here from the resulting. So this is how a reversal. So r of minus of t minus 1 we are doing. Now are you clear, Ananya?
Yes, ma'am.
R of minus t plus 1. That's why we are getting as same. Here we have done, no? Sorry, here. Where did I write it? Here. Is everyone clear with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Others, I want response from all.
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
Yeah, that's why the simpler thing is first we'll be doing the shifting and then scaling. That is the easiest thing, which it won't confuse us. One thing you have to remember is in place of we have to substitute that thing. So I think Ananya would have thought since it is shifting towards right, it should be R of minus t minus 1. It should be like this you are telling, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Why it is not changing, why it is not like this is, uh, we are doing with respect to time. So in the place of time, it has to be t minus 1. That's why it is, as a result, we are getting like this.
Okay, ma'am, got it.
Okay. Now let's solve some problems. Can you tell, okay, I'll give some time. Can you tell what could be the first answer? First, we have to delay the signal by 8 units and then we have to compress it by 2 units. How will be the mathematical expression of this?
2t minus 8.
Yeah, correct. Good.
2t minus 8.
Uh, So first we are shifting. So delay means it has to be t minus 8. Then it is compressed. So we are doing the scaling. So it will be 2t minus 8. Good. So how about, sorry, here the question is, second question. Cos A cos 20 t pi plus pi.
Time period is 1 by 10.
Sorry, time period is
1 by 10 and frequency 0.1.
good. So how we got this? Omega is equal to, what is the omega here? 20 pi, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the relationship between omega and time period? It is 2 pi by t is equal to 20 pi. So t is equal to 2 pi by 20 pi. As a result, if we do the simplification, we'll be getting 1 by t. And if we do the reversal of this, no, frequency is 10 hertz, Ananya.
Ma'am, we are getting time
Point
period
one,
as
ma'am.
So this
Point
is
one.
0.1
yes,
seconds
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
and frequency will be the reversal of that, right? Reciprocal.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So as a result, frequency will be 10 hertz. Is everyone clear with the second one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Uh, Now, can you draw the third one and tell how the plot be like? And tell me where I should plot the deltas.
There will be one plot at 4, which would be in positive direction, and there would be a plot at 3 by 2, which would be in negative direction.
Is it 3 by 2 or minus 3 by 2?
Sorry, minus 3 by 2.
Yeah, very good. At minus 3 by 2, it will be the reverse. So here what we have to care is regarding the signs also matters a lot, whether the sign is plus or minus. So it is a delayed version of delta. So it will be starting at 4. It will be at 4. So here in front of that it is positive. So will be taking us in the positive direction. In the second case, we are having the negative. So it need to be delta need to be negative. So at what point here? So it is advanced signal. So advanced means it has to be shifted towards the left by 3 by 2. So it will be minus 3 by 2. Anyone have doubts in this?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Or can I go ahead or did anyone got stuck here?
Yes, ma'am. Go ahead.
Okay. Now, can you tell this is like quite bit interesting. Like, can you tell how will be u of 2t?
Ma'am, we have to tell in integral of delta t.
No, no, no. Graph. I'm telling. I'm asking.
So it will be, ma'am, same as ut.
Yeah. This is a good observation.
Amplitude is half. Uh,
Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Come again. Like the one person. 1 second. I will. Yes. Tell. There was power. Who was talking before?
Pawan.
Hello. Amplitude is not too Sonali. I will tell. Like you can.
I'm only
Oh,
ma'am
like you
actually.
can. Yeah, Pawan. Yeah. Continue. Tell. Your what?
Professor also discussed about this in
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
lecture about
He
u of
discussed.
2t is equal to u of t only.
Yeah, it is U of T. I will tell how it is. So usually U of T will be in this way, right? So U of 2T will be how like it it has like it needs I mean if it is 2T it has to be compressed version of that. But here this is going till infinity. I mean it is till infinity it is one, right? I mean greater than one it has to go to infinity. So amplitude is one here. Like for U of T, this is clear, right? For U of T, amplitude is one, and this one will be going till infinity. So, like for the compression, like here A is greater than one. So, which means it is compression. So, compressing along which axis? Y axis. So, it will be compressed. Though we compress, it will be same, right? U of 2T with the magnitude of 1. So like Sonali was telling in the chat, like the amplitude need to be 2, but the amplitude won't be 2 because if we want the amplitude, the changes need to happen in front of u. So if it is 2 ut means, then the amplitude will be 2. Amplitude will be 2 here. Am I clear with this? Did I clarify your doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Uh, so here u of t will be same as of u of 2t. Because if we compress from left side, 0 will be compressed to 0. And if we compress towards the right in the here, 1 will be also same as 1. So it will be a same which remains as u of t. Is everybody clear with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how will be u of minus 2t?
It would be reversal.
It will be reversed. Yeah. With the amplitude?
1.
Yeah, good. Uh, like now we'll be doing this question. Now you have to help me with this.
And this will be
So,
like signal function.
yeah, it is signal function. How about others? Like, is only power Ananya, Sonali only in the class. Nobody is responding. Guys, are you there? Only three people are there. I could see only three people are responding. You can mute yourself and you can speak. That would be more interactive. Okay, then I'll proceed. So, it is a signum function with amplitude 1, which is when it is greater than 1, and it is -1 when when it is t is less than 1. So, okay, I'll take it in the next slide. Ut minus u of minus t. So, u of t will be like this, right? And how will be u of minus t? U of minus t is this, but amplitude before that is reverse. So it will be the negative -1. So now what we have to add? This one and this one we have to add. Let's take it as 1 and 2. So we have to add these two plots and it is at 0. So as a result, we will be getting plot as this. You are clear, right? So this is signum function. And there is another representation for this also. So u of t plus u of minus t, it leads to 1. This relation you have to keep because if we add these two, okay, let's take it as equation graph 2 and graph 3. If we add 1 and 3, we'll be getting signum function. What if we add 1 and 2? We'll be getting a constant function like this one, which will be of magnitude 1 if we add both these. This is also magnitude 1. So we'll be getting the plot as this. So if we substitute, so from this u of minus t is 1 minus u of t. If we substitute this here, so u of t minus of 1 minus u of t. As a result, if we simplify, we'll be getting 2ut minus 1. This is also another mathematical representation of signum function. Are you clear with this? There are two representations.
Yes, ma'am.
These are the two representations. Does anyone have doubt?
No, ma'am, it's fine.
Yeah, chalo then. So the next is u of t minus u of t minus 7. Now you tell me where will be the duration of
U
1.
of t till 0.7.
0 to 7.
Yeah. So till so 0 to 7 is the correct answer. Good students. So how will be getting in this way? So u of t will be in this way. How about u of minus t? It is
Could
shifted
be shifted.
towards the right? But the amplitude is in negative direction. So it will be like this. So here it is 1 and here it is -1 from 7. So +1 and -1 will get cancelled when we add these two. As a result, we'll be getting this. Clear, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then R of
Yes, ma'am.
3T. Like now you tell how R of 3T looks like.
It would be uh,
Yes.
it would be like shifted towards y more.
Yeah, correct. So R of 3T. So R of T will be like 0, 1, 1. For 2, it will be 2. This is of R of T will be like. Then R of 3T, so it will be the compressed version of this. So it will be getting compressed by 3 units. Am I right? Here it is 8 greater than 1. So it will be compressed. Compression will happen. So it will be compressed like this. So as a result, it will be in this way. So at 1 will be having the value of 3. So at 1 we'll be having the value of 3. Even if you can substitute. So R of 3 into 1, if we take T is equal to 1, here I am substituting. So we'll be getting R of 3. So as a result, we'll be getting 3. So at T is equal to 1, we are getting 3. For R of, okay, if we take at T is equal to 1 by 3, T is equal to 1 by 3, the value will be both gets cancelled, R of 1 will get. So it will be 1. So at 1 by 3, it will be 1. Are you clear, students, with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, clear.
Yeah. The other last question, that is R of minus 2t plus 2. R of minus 2t plus 2. Guys, now you have to help me with this, how to do.
First, shift uh, ram
First,
function to left and then compress it by 2 and then take time reversal.
Okay, good. First, we have to shift by.
Left by 2 units.
Okay, nice.
Then compress it by 2 and then shift take time reversal.
Now we have to compress it by 2 units.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
what will be here value? Here it will be 2, right? On the x-axis.
Yes.
So now we have to compress. So it will be, so here it will be by 2, right?
so
If
it
we
was
are
minus.
compressing, means minus 1 and it will be 2. And now we have to do the reversal.
Yes, ma'am. So it
So
will be
as a
equal to
result,
plus
we
1.
will be getting, am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Everyone is clear with this, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So now we'll be solving these graphical questions. Can you help me, or I'll give you 2 minutes of time, you can solve and let me know. So they have given the signal x of t, which is shown in the figure. So now you have to sketch. So this is x of t they have given. Now we have to find y of t, which is x of minus 2t plus 2. You have to sketch this. Guys, are you doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Done? Yeah. Now
Yes,
tell
ma'am.
me how to do. Now you tell me how to do.
So first we will shift it to left by 2, then we'll compress it by 2, and then we'll take the time
Hmm,
reverse.
good. So, like, can you tell me the critical points? Like, what are the points you got from where to where the graph will be?
So it would be -2 to 3.
So, come entire graph, like resultant graph, I'm asking.
Oh, okay. So
No,
it would
I'm
be
asking y
it
of
would be
t graph from where to where.
when I was talking about this y of t graph.
Yeah, like y
Minus
of
point
t.
5 to 2.
Yeah, correct.
Yes, ma'am. Minus
Minus
0.5 to 2.
0.5. Yeah, good. So, like, first, how we have to do? First, we have to move this towards left. So, we'll be taking the graph. So, here, so this point will be shifted to 0, right? This is how it will be. Then, so this point, now I'm plotting of t plus 2. So, it will be -4, here -3, and this point will be here, this will be -2, 0, and this will be 1, right? Am I right, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
So next, what we have to do, we have to scale. So we have to compress this. So we have to divide by 2. So the resultant plot will be, so the points will be like here -2, -1.5, -1, and 0.5. So this is the plot for, I mean, these are the critical points for what? X of 2t plus 2. Now we have to do the time reversal. So it will be, we have to reverse by taking uh, as a mirror image. So it will be like, so here it will be, so 0.5 will be -0.5, 0, 1, 1.5, and 2. Is the answer matching with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, like this is how y of t will be. Good. Now, can you, okay, next we'll solve another problem. So now they have given us y of t. What they are asking us to find x of t, we have to do. Can you tell me the mathematical expression for this? Mathematical expression and graph. Both I want. Should I give time or should I explain for solving this?
Ma'am, time.
Ma'am, give us some time.
Okay. You can solve and let me know. Then we can proceed further. Is it okay? I'm going beyond the time.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, is this y t by 2 minus 3 divided by 2?
Come again.
Y t by 2 minus 3 divided by 2.
Y t by 2 minus
3.
minus 3. Is it com only for here you are telling, or I mean, is the 2 divided by 2 is for 2 also, or it is
No, ma'am, it is
only for
only
3?
divided in t.
Okay. This is not the correct answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Is anyone trying, or should I continue with the explanation? Should I wait some more time?
Ma'am, trying. Wait, can you give 1 minute also?
Yeah, I can. Once you're done, just let me know. Students, let me know once you are done with your with this. Is it done?
Ma'am, ma'am, x of 2
Yeah.
would be 1 by 2 y 3 minus
Come again.
t divided by
One
2.
second. Just a second. I'll be writing.
Okay.
Can you come again?
X of t is equals to 1 by 2 y
1 minute. X of t is equal to 1 by 2
1 by 2
y.
y 3 minus
Mhm.
t by 2.
3.
Is it
Yeah,
correct?
correct. Is by 2 is for whole, or only for,
By whole. 3
yeah,
minus
this is
t
the correct.
divided by 2.
Yeah. Who is
Okay,
that?
ma'am.
I want to know who answered. Is it Pawan or Jay? Sorry.
Ma'am, J.
Okay.
Yeah. Good, Jay. This is the correct answer. So, like, how we have to do is like, okay, like here, what steps we'll be considering? Like in the first slide, I have discussed, right? First, if we uh first shifting from x of t to y of t, how we'll be going, I'll be telling. So first we'll be shifting by 3 units towards left. Then scaling by 2 units. That is compression. Here we are doing compression. Then reversal. So here three operations are happening on x of t. X of t is equal to So let this be function of f, let this be g, and let this be h. So on x of t, so y of t, on x of t, three operations are happening. One is f operation. On this f operation, then we'll be doing the g, then later h. So what we have to do? We have to get x of t. So first what we have to do? H inverse of g inverse of f inverse of y of t. If we do this operation, then we'll be getting x of t. Are you clear with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So first, one more thing here. So here it is 2 is multiplied. So x of minus 2t plus 3 is equal to 1 by 2 y of t. So first what we have to do now? Now we have to do the reversal here. So 1 by 2 times of, so y of minus t. So first reversal is done. Then the g is compressed by 2 units. Now what we have to do? We have to expand it, right? So in order to expand by 2 units, it needs to be divided. So whatever we are doing, the next step is we have to divide by 2. Then third step, what we have to do? Here on time t, we are shifting towards the left. Now we have to shift towards the right. So this is the advanced one. Now we have to do the delayed version. And remember that we are doing on time t with respect to time t. So we have to delay by 3 units. So y of minus of t minus 3 by 2. This is the resultant answer. So if we simplify 1 by 2 y of minus t plus 3 by 2. So which is similar to what the J has said. So this is the answer. Are you
Ma'am,
clear?
ma'am, this can be done in another way also. Like we have a from the reverse action, reversing, scaling, and then shifting. I have just taken use the substitution method. That's my method to solve this question. First,
Like how?
I take the inside the that is y of t is equals to 2x of t 2 minus t plus 3. I taken to
This
my
one, right?
yes ma'am, minus 2t plus 3 as u. Then find
Okay.
the value, I find the value of t is equals to 3 minus u divided by 2
So you have taken minus 2t
plus 3 is
plus
equals
3
to
as u.
u
Yeah.
substitution
From
method.
this,
I
like
get
2,
the t is equals to 3 minus u divided by 2. 3 minus 2, 3 minus u. Yeah, that is fine.
so this is what you substituted here.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, good. In this way also you can do in a simple way.
Yeah, that's why I'm asking. This can in this way we
Yeah,
can
yeah,
also
yeah.
do.
Yeah,
Okay,
this way also can be done. Like
okay,
here,
ma'am.
like I have told, this is like I wanted to tell how this also works. I mean, in the reverse way. Yeah, this is also correct. The way you have done. Now you can like I will give you the task as you have to do the graphical representation of x of t. Can you do it yourself now, or should I? Will you do it later? Graphical representation of x of t. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Can you
Yes,
say
ma'am.
it again?
Can you
Yes,
the
ma'am.
graphical representation of x of t? I am giving you a task. Will you do it right now or will you do it after the session?
Ma'am, now.
Okay. Just do it and let me know. I'll give you some time.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes.
Ma'am, I have done.
Yes, Jay. Can you help me with that?
Ma'am, from the y of t graph, we can clearly see the graph is non-zero from -1 to 1. So first we need to find
Hmm.
the where x of t is non-zero. I
Yeah,
have I use the inequality, and x of t is non-zero from 1 to 5,
yeah.
and by so
Correct,
which
correct.
I got the value of xt is 1 by 2 from 1 to 3,
From
and
1 to
it is 0 from otherwise, and 3 to 5 it is 5 minus t divided by 4. I think
can you come again? 1 second.
ma'am, x of
Just tell me,
okay.
non-equality part, I got it. Value of graph I want. 1 to 5, that is correct. Answer is correct from 1 to 5. From 1 to 3, how will be the graph? Jay?
It is half, ma'am.
Okay. Hmm. Yeah, it will be half. Correct. From 1 to 3. It will
To
be like
RAM.
this, right?
That's one.
Yeah,
From
this
3
is
to
the
5, the slope is 5 minus t divided by 4.
correct.
Ma'am, it should be 5 minus t, I think.
1 second. The slope is decreasing, no? It need to be 5 minus. Sorry, come again. It should be 5 minus T
5
only.
minus t
Whole
divided
Because
by 4.
divided
it's
by.
the delayed one.
Yes, ma'am.
Should I explain how we are getting this from y of t? Other students other than JEI.
Yes, ma'am,
Ma'am,
we
it's
are shifting that with the 3 by 2 to the left, and then we are taking, then we are expanding with the 2, and then we are taking time reversal and compressing amplitude by 2.
Uh, we are doing the reverse this operation, right? This operation
Yes, ma'am.
first. This one we have to follow.
For
So this is how the resultant graph will be. Do I okay? Do I need to explain this how to do, or remaining guys will do it later?
ma'am, I did it. I got it, answer.
Okay. Then you can cross check with this then. Fine. Should I go to another concept?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, now we'll do this. So here, this graph, we have to split in terms of u of t, or like if there is ramp, you can use a ramp function in that, or and its variance. Based on that, you have to make it in the analytical form. So from this graph, here it is a first step. So it is u of t, and there is one more step which is
Then
at 1.
plus ut minus 1.
U of t minus 1, then
Minus 3 u of t minus 3.
minus,
3.
yeah, good. Because here we have to go from 2 to minus 1, we have to go. So that's why in order to go down from 2 to minus 1, the difference is minus 3. And this is occurring at 3. So it has to be t minus 3.
Then
And
plus ut
then we
minus
have to plus u of
minus
t
4.
minus 4. You understood, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And can you help me with this second plot?
Plus u of t
U of
plus
t.
u of t minus 1
U
plus
of t,
r
it
minus
is plus u
u
of
of t
t
minus
minus 1.
Minus one.
yes ma'am.
So
Then
till
plus
here it
r
will be, yeah, plus,
r of t minus 2.
yeah, correct. So good. This is a correct answer. So first here, this is u of t. Then we are adding one more unit step signal, which is u at u of minus at u of, I mean at 1 t is equal to 1. You have to add u of t minus 1. So at u of t minus 1, it will be like this. So we are adding this, which is increasing, and then ramp. So usually ramp will be like this. Then why here we are getting r of t minus 2? Because the ramp is at r of t minus 2 will be, as a result, if we combine all these three, we'll be getting this. Am I clear? Did you
Yes ma'am.
understand?
Yes,
Everyone?
ma'am. Clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And the last topic is so it can be represented as complex exponential that represents the magnitude and phase of the sinusoidal function, right? So usually z can be represented as r of e power j omega t. So j omega t is this cos omega t plus j sin omega t. So here r is, if we compare the both, r is e power sigma. And you have to remember these two formulas. Like cos omega t is 1 by 2 e power j omega t plus e power minus j omega t. And sin omega t is 1 by 2j of e power j omega t minus e power minus j omega t. Am I clear with this?
Yes ma'am.
So like I give you one type of problem where z is equal to 3 plus 4j. Now I want magnitude of z and phase of z.
Magnitude
Tell
would
me.
be 5
Is
Yeah,
tan inverse 4 by 3.
and tan inverse 4 by 3.
good,
Yes.
good, good. Absolutely correct. So it is a plus jb, right? So magnitude will be like under root of a square plus b square. If we substitute a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 4, as a result, we'll be getting the magnitude as 5. And for the phase, it will be tan inverse of t by a. So here B is 4 and A is 3. So as a result, phase will be getting like this. And another question is x of t is equal to cos square of 2 pi t minus sin square of pi t. So now I want this in terms of exponential. Can you try to solve this and let me know the answer?
Okay.
I want x of t in terms of exponential. Or should I do it now?
Ma'am, first we'll do it, then we'll ask you.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
1 by 4 e to the power j 4 pi t plus 1 by 4 e to the power j 2 pi t plus
But
1 by
e to the
4 e
power
to the
of
power
j,
j
second term,
2 pi t
2 pi t
plus 1 by 4 e to the power minus j 2 pi t
hmm.
plus 1 by 4 e to the power minus j 4 pi t.
Yeah, this is the correct answer. So what we have to do is simple, like okay, we have to substitute these two formulas in this. So as a result, so cos square 2 pi t minus sin square pi t. So what we have taken cos is e power minus e power j omega. Omega is 2 pi omega 2 pi t plus e power minus j 2 pi t. So here it has to be whole square minus and sin pi t is 2j times e power j pi t. Here we have to get minus e power minus j pi t whole square. So
Ma'am, it's minus 1 upon 2j.
there in the
Uh,
answer.
Means for sine omega t, it's minus 1 upon 2j. Then
So here it is minus 1 upon 2j we'll be getting.
that
J is
minus is
already
that
minus 1.
minus is from question. See, the sine omega t is minus 1 upon 2j. It's then in bracket it's e j omega t minus e to the power minus j omega t.
You are telling the final answer.
Uh,
He's explaining about the question you have, right?
uh,
Sine square omega t 2 pi. Thank you.
okay, we can
Yeah,
proceed.
it
It
is
means
square. It is square.
uh, yeah. Okay,
Here
fine,
I
fine,
have
fine.
taken square.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
I have
Okay, yeah.
replaced with the sin and cos. So I'm explaining in the stepwise.
Okay, okay, yeah.
Yeah. So it will be 1 by 4. So here it has to be square. So e power j 4 pi t. If we do the square, like e power j 2 pi t whole power 2 means it will be multiplied with this, right? So we'll be getting 4 pi t. So here we have to use a square plus b square plus 2ab. B square will be minus j 4 pi t plus 2. So, and these two are the, reciprocal terms, they will be getting cancelled. So, as a result, we'll be getting 1 over here. And here it is, if we square this term, we'll be getting 4. And the j square will be minus 1. So, here this minus 1 will be compensated with this. So, here we'll be getting plus and denominator will be getting 4. And here we'll be using a square, uh, a minus b whole square formula. As a result, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So we'll be getting e power j 2 pi t plus e power minus j 2 pi t minus 2. So if we calculate, so this 2 pi by 4 and this minus 2 pi by 4 will get cancelled. As a result, we'll be getting 1 by 4 e power j 4 pi t plus 1 by 4 e power minus j 4 pi t. Since this term will be getting cancelled with this, we'll be getting final result as 1 by 4 e power j 2 pi t plus 1 by 4 e power minus j 2 pi t. Am I clear? This is the
Yes, ma'am.
final answer.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. I got the same, but I did it in a different way. I changed
Differently.
uh, this cos square x and sin square x in cos 2x.
Yes, no,
Okay.
fine.
Yeah, there will be many ways you can do it. Like, thank you, students. That's all. This is what I wanted to discuss. So you can tell me if you have any other doubts. You can stay back.